Okay, this is my enhancement number 8. My dynamic navigation. In each option we can see the product in his own space. Also the CSS responsive works well when they have no more space. Organize one below other. And when I enlarge the page, they are the organization is well. Okay, the detail of the product, it's here. Works organized. I was having some problems because say me an error in this part of the view because I add just the head title to change to use the PHP code inside the title, and maybe have another way to do this, but I have not how to do it. So for example, here is my view. So I add head, title and head with the PHP code inside the title. For that reason, the HTML validation said me about an error, but I have not how I can do it in another way. I will check the CSS, and I all the same about these WebKits, and I'm not sure why they say me about these error non-wrap and reverse, because I have not that values in my CSS. I will show you now. For this place I just have flex wrap, so I am not sure why or where come from this error. So well, my page is working all well with the products, with the responsive design. When I click I can see the details, the price and all this stuff. The only detail maybe is this space that I have between the navigation bar, but I have, for example, here I have, but when I see the category list I have not that problem, so I was trying to fix it, but I can't do it. Okay, this is my video for this week.